Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. I'm meteorologist Violet Schuyber. We are tracking a soggy system that's going to blanket the region with rain, at least for the first half of today. And then we get a second system that will work in for the start of next week. And that one looks to be even soggier, bringing the risk of some minor flooding looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday. That soggy system is also going to cool us down as temperatures drop into the 70s, at least to start the week. Then as we look towards the middle to second half of the week, that's when we're expecting some nicer weather to return to the picture as things dry out and gradually warm back up to near normal for this time of year. For this morning, though, depending on where you live, you might already be seeing the rain. A live look from our triple Doppler radar sponsored by Falso Service experts. Syracuse and areas to the east are dry right now, but we are tracking some thunderstorm activity over Oswego, Auburn, and across the Finger Lakes region as well, with lighter rain behind that. And this is all moving in from the west, so expecting to blanket the region within the next few hours. As we zoom in on this one cluster of storms that is producing some heavy rainfall, lightning, and some gusty winds at times as well, is moving to the north and east. So heading into Auburn towards Beeville and Syracuse area, Moravia and Fitz Corners. And these are the times that it will be near your location. If you live in this box, just stay off the roads until this passes, because this could cause some issues with that heavy rainfall, dropping the visibility pretty quickly. However, behind this line of storms, the rest of the rain looks to be fairly light and should stay light as it blankets the region, at least for the first half of today. We will dry out after about the noon hour, getting a chunk of some drier air and maybe even some breaks of sunshine, but then that's going to heat up the air, rising us into the lower 80s and evaporating all the rain that we got this morning, which is going to fuel the chance for some scattered thunderstorms late in the afternoon. So a new chance for those as the second system arrives. And the center of the second system is really going to move in as we look ahead to Monday and Tuesday. So for today, occasional rain showers becoming scattered in the afternoon with those second round of storms. Then we're tracking that second system that will bring widespread rain Monday and scattered showers and storms on Tuesday, eventually tapering off into early Wednesday. But Monday and Tuesday is when we have that flooding risk, mainly for areas to the south and east of Syracuse. It's a marginal risk, which is on the low end, but some areas that see repetitive thunderstorms could get some minor flooding. Now let's time out your forecast hour by hour. Rain is moving in from the west. We'll blanket the region within the next hour or two and stay that way up until about noon. Then it heads out of Syracuse towards the North Country. We're dry for a good chunk of the afternoon until the late afternoon. Around 4 to 5 p.m. is when some new thunderstorms start to develop, and those will even continue into tonight. And in the overnight hours, still going to see that rain continuing as that second system heads in, becoming widespread heading into Monday and continuing into Tuesday. Many areas looking to get around 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Even some pockets could get over 2 inches. A check of your 7-day forecast. Soggy weather for the next 3 days, cooling down into the 70s Monday and Tuesday. Maybe an isolated shower or two for the start of the fair on Wednesday, and we warm up into the 80s. We are tracking the chance for some scattered storms late Thursday into Friday, and then sunshine returns for the weekend. Maggie?